Let's get right into it. So I have my brow soap here from Shapeshift Cosmetics. Brow soap just helps lay the brows down throughout the day. I absolutely love it. I like using a pencil. This one here is from Dontae Muse Cosmetics. It's so precise. It helps create hair-like strokes. So here I am just creating the shape of my brow and then filling it in from the back, and then hair-like strokes in the front. And before we move on to concealer, we're going to go ahead and brush that product through our brows, through the front and the back. And then I'm going to take my concealer from the Crayon case in the shade number 9. You want to make sure you have a really flat brush. And then you begin to carve out your brows. You don't want to use too much product because it'll get inside your brows and it'll just be a whole mess, and we don't want to do that. So you basically create the same shape that you use when you outlined. And when concealing our brows, we want to use a shade that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than our foundation. The same product that you use at the bottom of your brows, you would use to conceal your under eye as well. I'm going to take a fluffy brush just to blend out that concealer. Now, if you're doing a more natural look, of course, you want to use a concealer that is more of a match to your skin tone. I'm going to use that same flat brush and I'm going to dip into my foundation to conceal the top of my brows. This step is totally optional. Now, if you're just a brows and lip gloss type of gal, all you have to do is take a makeup remover wipe and just wipe the shape of your brows at the top and the bottom of your brows, and boom, voila, you have brows. Boom, boom, bam. And that is it, okay? Pro tip, brows are sisters and not twins, so do not get discouraged if your brows don't come out, 100% the same, because they almost never come out the same. So all you do is we're just going to go back in with that concealer at the bottom to carve out our brows, and we're going to take it a little higher so that we can try to get the best match to the other brow. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.